If you're going to make an animated movie, the first thing I suggest is to watch the credits on one of your favorites and realize how many people actually worked on it, because it's something that's just going to be very difficult to do by yourself. So get a lot of friends who also like to animate. And again, just like working on a short film, you have to start with a really good story, because that's what's going to keep your audience interested. After that, it's a lot of the same processes as anything else, starting with pencil and paper and creating thousands upon thousands upon thousands of drawings to create the movement. Or if you're working on a computer, to create frame after frame after frame, every scene, build them together to create a very enjoyable plot. Obviously, you're going to need to work with some actors too to get your voices down, so you will need to record your actors reciting their lines from the script you've written, and give those pre-recorded voices to the animators to sync up the dialogue and to animate to the speech patterns. Once you get everything done and either painted if you're doing it traditionally or rendered if you're doing it in a computer, you'll want to get all your shots edited together and create a score. Find somebody that writes music for you. And once you get it all together, find a good theater that'll distribute it for you.